morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I'm here in the greenhouse because I'm going to package something to send to my aunt. A little arrangement, like a little DIY arrangement that she can do herself. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. I'm figuring out how to do it, so I might use the box that I have, or I might have to get another box. That is a sweet potato smoothie. It just has sweet potato, protein, water, and a little bit, some cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla extract. That's it. And I have a mess in here, guys. This is just dirt that's drying, and I need to organize this. I got some bins to organize my stuff a little bit better. But anyways, I digress. Let me set this up so I can show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm sending her this tin right here, and I forgot that I should make a hole in here before I send it to her. I'll do that in a little bit. I'm gonna have to do that now because then I can't package it. Anyways, I got this from Michael's. I got it for not that half price, I think. I don't remember. I had a coupon. And then these beauties right here I got from Home Depot. This one didn't have a name. It's from Miami Coast, and it was $4.98. Beautiful, beautiful plant. That's a pretty big plant right there. And then this one, I don't know if the name is correct in the package. This one right here, it says, let me see what it says. It was for $2.98, and it says Echeveria rosea. I haven't looked it up to see if it's correct, but yes. So what I did is I took out these plants and I let them dry, the dirt and the root, because I didn't want it to be all moist and in the box. So these will do well, and then when she gets them, she can quickly pot it up and water them. So I'm gonna go make a hole in this with I'll just take a screwdriver and a hammer, and I just hammer it in. So I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. So I went inside to make a hole on my this tin here, galvanized. I think I can't even say it right. Like I normally do. I've done it to this pot right here, this one. I've done it to all my tins that I have. I've always done a hole that way, where I take it, lay it flat. I take a screwdriver, and then a Phillips screwdriver, and then I hit it with a hammer. It was really hard. This is, I guess, a very much stronger tin than the ones that I'm normally used to, and it not only did it bend this way, but this has come out like that. I can't fix that. I don't mind using it for myself, you know, because, well, it's mine, but I can't give it as a gift. So what I came up with, because I don't have other tins that I really like for this project, but this one, I really like this tin. I'm gonna send her this tin, so I have to remove these beauties, and then I don't think that they'll fill this up, but I'll try. So yeah. Okay, so that, I would say that's pretty good dirt. I believe it's enough dirt for what we're gonna do. Now let me see if I can fit it all in this bag. I don't know if I'm gonna fit it all in the bag. Just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag. I cleaned the container so she gets it nice and clean. I took all the dirt that was in the container, put it in bags. So now, be a little bit challenging here. Okay, so here's the box. And now, I'm going to see where the tin fits. Okay. And then maybe I could put that in there. This could be like, I guess, to keep it in place so it's not bouncing everywhere. I want to see something, if these would fit in the tin. If I can just place them like that, like if they were in already. So what I would do is I'm gonna recycle some of that paper that I got from Mountain Crest Garden. I believe this paper you can also purchase at the Dollar Tree. I've seen it before there. It comes also in different colors. It's just some cushion for that. So let me just see if I get this place for there. Like that. The only thing that sucks that dirt's gonna get everywhere from the plant itself. Okay. I don't know if this is how I'm gonna do it. I have to just see what's gonna work. Oh, okay. I have these white rocks for her to decorate with, to dress it. The sea glass pink dressing, top dressing. Okay, so I want that to stay in place as good as possible right there. And then I'm going to take this and fill it in the corners here. Kind of gotta be gentle, make sure I don't hurt any of the leaves. Just putting paper in there, like to put pressure, like if it was dirt, so that it could stay there. Okay, so I thought that paper would be enough. Well, it is enough if I move it. I'm gonna take this piece of cardboard and I'm gonna shove it over here. You know what? I'm gonna bend it right there, just to keep the rocks and everything in place, so that it won't move around. So what I can do is I can take this paper, leave that there for the plants. You just don't want anything to move. And I have paper to shove in that corner. Press it on the sides there, to just kind of hold everything in one place. And do the same thing on this side. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead, because I'm all about recycling, and just take the pretty gold paper and also shove it on the sides. Okay, I think that this is pretty good. So I think that's pretty good. So that's it for this, guys. Now it's ready to go to my aunt. Hopefully I'll ask her to take a nice picture, and she will, and she'll send it to me, and then I'll be able to share it on my Instagram. Okay, guys? Like I said before, it's so much easier for me to just share quick pictures on Instagram, so you guys should follow me on Instagram. Hold on. So, because I'm going to move those plants into here, I'm going to go ahead and take some of this leftover, what is this thing called? Screen that I had left over. And I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put dirt on top of it, so that I don't lose my dirt. It's a pretty big gap there, so yeah. So disappointed, but whatever. At least I had something to back it up, because I need to ship this out. Okay. here. Here. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and try to trim this better. So guys, a tragedy, it's not a tragedy. So my bad luck with breaking the tin turned out to be okay for me. Look, it looks like a beautiful cake. I love this. So I'm really happy with this, how it turned out. So all was not lost. So I really like this, and now I'm gonna go put it back where I had it. I had it in the front. Just like two plants were already trying to root, but I just want to show you guys how pretty that turned out. I'll take some pictures and post them at the end. Anyways guys, so I hope that this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for joining me and watching my channel, and thank you for supporting me on YouTube and on Instagram. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.